Hey guys, good morning, Albe here. I've been exchanging a few messages with OutEx lately, and they contacted me because they have a new product in the work, and they said they would be delighted if I give it a try and give them some feedback. So I figure, you know, it's a good chance for me to take you guys along, and we're gonna take a look at what they sent over together. But enough with the chit-chat. Let's go get it. I know what it is, but I'm not quite sure how big is the package. Therefore, we're gonna take my car this time around and go get it. So I got the package. There is no filming inside federal buildings, so I couldn't quite, guys, film the guy that gave me the package. So here he is, let's go open it. We have the classic OutEx box. Now on the box it says F-pegs. So I guess those are pegs. Oh, check these out. Guess who sent me the package? Very cool. This banner is super cool. Whoa. Those look incredible. Masato, this is a great work. This is a great job. They look fantastic. Masato is the guy that actually sent me those. So guys, this is the new OutEx F-peg. So the peg actually, see, rotates. Masato, if you're watching this video, those pegs look incredible. Wow. I need you guys to take a closer look at this peg, because it's fantastic. And it's not only fantastic, but I don't know if you guys can see that the peg actually rotates a few degrees. I'm seriously impressed. I did see a few of the prototypes, but in person, and the finished product looks freaking amazing. So I'm not really sure where you guys can get those pegs yet. By the time I'll install them on the bike, I will. In the meantime, check the description down below. I'll give you the link for OutEx's website, which is worth taking a look at. Anyway, enough with me bugging you with this stuff. Stay tuned for the installation video for those fantastic pegs. And in the meantime, check the link down below for the OutEx website. And since I got your attention for a minute, I just realized the Albe ZDV t-shirt were being sold for $21. I didn't know. I really didn't know. I thought they were supposed to be $15 or less. So I rectified that. Now new lower price, $14.99. So check the link down below, and if you like, go get your shirt. If you like the video, like. If you love the video or you want to see the full install and review of those outrageously good looking foot pegs, stay tuned. Till then, dirt on, and I'll see you next time.